Hey guys, Butch Newell here with 2 Minute Tackle. And today I want to talk to you about the Hydrowave. Found this on eBay for 200 bucks. It's way below what you can find them for retail. The Hydrowave is an electronic feeding stimulator. Basically what it does, it's supposed to mimic natural feeding sounds and vibrations of different bait fish and game fish. It's got 16 sound patterns, ranging from bait fish, herring, croaker, crab, mullet, and shrimp. Alright. It's waterproof speaker, 16-bit CD quality sound, expansion port for additional sounds, 5 pre-recorded program delay options with a 2.5-inch LCD unit. So here's what it's got in the box. It says it's got the H2 unit, it's got the speaker with 30-foot cord, mounting bracket, tie reps, and user's guide. So here, let's just take a look. Alright, so I see the unit, speaker, mounting bracket, got some directions, and I'm guessing those would be, yes, zip ties that'll mount this to the bracket once you get the bracket mounted against the hull. Alright, that's pretty cool. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I've got a battery up here with me. Let's just hook it up and see what it sounds like. Alright, so I got a different battery, and let's go ahead and let's go through this. Let's press menu to continue. Turn this so you guys can see it here. And turn up the volume. I've got the mic closer to that speaker now. It's the bait fish frenzy. Just kind of step through them here. Bait fish passive. Bait fish schooling. You know, there's a bait fish finesse. Won't make you guys listen to them all. Herring frenzy. Kind of curious to hear the croaker frenzy. Alright, there's a croaker passive, crab frenzy, crab passive, mullet frenzy. Let's hear that. Shrimp frenzy, and then it starts over. So, looks like a pretty simple unit, easy to hook up. You know, for a kayaker, if you want to use this in a kayak, you got plenty of cable. Like I said, it's got a waterproof unit, it's got a really good screw-on connector there, so you don't have to worry about water getting in there. It might be something to think about. I haven't been out on a boat with one yet, but hope to soon and give it a shot. Thanks so much for watching. That's the Hydrowave for inshore and saltwater fishing by TH Marine. I'll put a link down below to the eBay page where I found this. Like I said, I think it was like $200, and hopefully they still have some left. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and more importantly, do me a favor, click the bell down there so you'll get notifications the next time a 2 Minute Tackle video goes live.